Yo, hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. Thank you very much for each and every one of you for tuning in to today's live stream. Iso the trader speaking right here. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a live trading. So thanks to each and every one of you that are tuning in right now. I really appreciate it, right? So yeah, guys, before we go ahead or before we start, I would like to call your attention to today's sponsor of this video, which is Trader Central. So Trader Central is a funding ecosystem that fund retail traders in case if funding is your problem or funding is your challenge in the forex market. you know Trader Central is for you, and they are capable of funding you up to 200,000 US dollars whenever time you need that particular amount to trade in the forex market, right? So Trader Central is the way to go. So click in the link. The link to this Trader Central is in the description. So click on it and just register and start trading with Trader Central today. They are more reliable and they have more positive feedback than negative, right? So thank you very much. Let's go ahead and start today's trading, right? So today, guys, I just sold Euro USD. I just wanted to come here and update you guys about what's happening. Recently I just, not quite long, I just closed my AUD USD trade. So before I execute this sell on Euro USD, right? So I took about 110 pips on what do you used to call it, on on AUD USD. So right now, that's why I'm back again on AUD, on Euro USD, right? So once more again, guys. So if today's your first time here, my name is Israel, and of course you know what's up, man. Just give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very very important and it helps us a lot, right? It helps the channel a lot to go and reach more users, right? So thank you very much for the support and everything. So yeah, just like I was saying, in the last time I made video about Euro USD, so some of you guys viewed it and some of you did not view it. So you guys might not know exactly why I said Euro USD is going to sell in that particular video, right? So right now I just executed the sell on Euro USD. Remember, this is where the market was when I did the analysis. This is where the market was, right? Then boom, push back up. I say it's going to go back up to touch this trend line, of which the market tried to touch this trend line, but it was not able, but it came close, right? Then after that, what did you see? Boom, push to the downside. So we saw this correction move a bit. So now it's ready to push down to the downside. So that's the complete analysis of everything that I saw on this particular pair being Euro USD. So right now, guys, I'm ready to ride Euro USD all the way to the downside, and of course it's gonna play like this analysis, because you guys remember, I did another analysis which was let me just try to clear these guys so that we can just see what exactly is happening, right? Because I don't want to just be putting all of this to make the chart noisy. So if it's noisy, that's one of the reasons why I don't like indicators, or why I don't use indicators, right? Because whenever time I see you trading with indicators, I'm like, what's happening here, man? What's happening here? So just though everybody has his or her own style of trading, but me, it happens to be that I don't like indicators, right? I don't like indicators. So let's check out AUD so that you can see what happened or what's going on right now. So you guys can see my final take profit on Euro USD was 180 pips, but I saw something happening here. All these rejections, I was not comfortable with it. I was like, nah. And there are some sort of news that is coming on USD, so I'm seeing that USD is gonna be strong. So if USD is strong, definitely AUD is gonna be weak and Euro is gonna be weak as well. So no need for me to keep on holding this buy on AUD USD. That's one of the reasons why I closed my trade with 110 pips in profit. So 110 pips, guys, is still decent, right? It's still decent. You can see 110 pips, I think, right here. But the market went up for like 120 pips, but I closed with 110 pips. You can see it right here. It says 110. So that's where I closed my trade on AUD. So I took 110 pips, guys. So it's not bad. I still had like 70 pips to go, but it's still not bad, right? It's better I close my trade than for the market to take back the profit, right? So it is very, very important. That's how you manage your risk and things like that, guys. So, and just, a reminder, if you have any pair that you want me to analyze for you guys, you can just send it live in the live chat section. I say, hey Israel, can you just check out this particular pair for me and things like that? Then I will gladly do that for you, right? That's one of the reasons why we come here live and direct and be trading forex with you guys, so that you guys can be a profitable traders as well. That's just why I'm coming here live and direct. If it is because of me, I make my money and I can, stay at home, make my money, and I don't have business with anybody, right? But I found out that lots of people, they are kind of losing money in the market. So in order for me to reduce that, I have to like come here live and direct and be showing you guys how to trade and things like that. It is very, very important. So that's one of the reasons why I come here to trade with you guys. So, what I just want you guys to do for me is just, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's all. Nothing much is needed for you to do. So like I said, I executed this trade, guys. So my entry point on Euro USD was around price 1.07477 or 475 rather. That's where my entry point is on Euro USD, and my final take profit is around price 1.06477 for 100 pips. So 100 pips take profit on Euro USD and 50 pips stop loss. So this is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If you know how I trade, I basically trade I basically go for only 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. I never ever and will never ever try to trade 1 to 1 or 1 to 1 point something, risk to reward ratio. I don't do that, because if you do that, definitely you are not going to be a profitable trader whenever time you try to whenever time you lose like 2 or 3 trades in a row. So definitely you're not going to be a profitable trader. But whenever time you try to trade 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, that is the least. Definitely, even if you are having a bad week or bad day, guys, definitely you're still going to be a profitable trader, or you're going to just lose some portion of your account, not blowing your account totally, right? So that's one of the reasons why I opt in for least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And of course, I've been doing this for 5 years now, guys. So definitely I know what I'm talking about, right? So you just have to like carry out your analysis as well, and just do your research so that you can know more about forex trading and things like that, right? Of course, so that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. And of course, right now, guys, I'm in a sell. That's just it. If you are in our free Telegram channel, I did send this particular trade as well. I just send it to them. Let me show it to you guys, so that you guys can know exactly what I'm saying. That I actually send this particular trade into my free Telegram group chat, right? Because lately some of you guys are complaining to me, hey Israel, why you don't send free signals and stuff like that to your free Telegram group chat? So I'm just trying to like prove it to you guys that I did send it, right? Let me just show you right now, so that you all can know that I sent this particular trade. You can see, guys, you can see on my free Telegram group chat, you can see here I said Euro USD stop loss update and things like that. You can see it here as well. This is when I executed the trade and I alerted them about Euro USD sell trade, right? Of course, that's it, guys. That's it. If once you know what you are doing and things like that in the first market, you don't have fear, or no need for you to be scared of executing your trade or getting in the market. No need for you to be scared, guys, because be confident enough. You have to be confident enough in yourself in order for you to hold your trade for a long time, or to execute your trade with a proper risk management. So that's one of the reasons why I just executed this trade on Euro USD. And of course, right now I'm about 15 pips in profit on Euro USD, guys. 15 pips in profit. You can see that. It's even 16 pips, but let's say 15 pips in profit right here on Euro USD. And of course, don't forget that my final take profit is 100 pips. That's the final take profit right here. So just keep that at the back of your mind, guys. Okay. So yeah, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you join our free Telegram group chat in order for you not to miss out my live trading or live signals, because it's not every time that I come live here on YouTube. So just don't miss that opportunity to go and join our free Telegram channel, and also be participating in our live trading here, because anytime I'm free I used to do that, right? So make sure you are doing that as much as you can. So just trying to do that, guys. All right. So right now, let me check, or let me just try to check what you guys are saying. So okay, Hybe is saying thanks, sir. Thank you very much. How you doing, man? Ray is saying greetings, sir. Hope you good. All right, that's good. Thanks. I really appreciate it. Crips is saying GBP USD. Okay, we'll try to go and check GBP USD, but I don't have much time here today, guys. I just have like 20 or 30 minutes here before I go ahead and do one or two things, because I have so many things to do, and you know what's up, man. So I don't want to forget about you guys totally. That's why I just say, yeah, let's come here and do this live stream. It's very, very important, right? So we'll try to go ahead and check GBP USD as well. So Hamadu is saying that, hi, can I still enter? Yeah, for sure, man. You can still enter. Remember, we still have about 80 something pips to go. 80 something pips to go. Just that your stop loss is not going to be equal as mine, right? Because though you can still set it as equal to be mine, but the risk reward ratio is not going to be the same as well. So you have to just know how to calculate your stop loss take profit right here if you are executing this particular trade, right? So we'll try to go ahead and check GBP USD, but let me finish checking your chart. Yeah, you can still, it's still selling. Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. He can still enter. So let's go down and check GBP USD according to what one of you guys said I should check GBP USD, right? Of course, GBP USD is now selling. Did I execute this trade? I think I was doing this analysis live or something like that. Okay, yeah, I said the market will come down here and break out, retest, boom, right here. That's where we are going to be selling, but the market decided to push back up to the upside. But right now, guys, definitely the market broke out of this particular trend line. You guys can see it, right? It broke out of the trend line. So right now, once the market come to this level and retest this, that's when I will exactly execute this trade if I want to trade GBP USD, right? But right now, it is not the right time for you guys to sell it. It is not the right time, because I personally, if I should trade GBP USD today, I missed the entry point. You know what I'm saying? I already missed the entry point. You see this when the trend line broke, and you see this one single candle. I don't know if you guys can see this. This one single candle served as a retracement on a smaller time frame. See, guys, if you know what you are doing, definitely, Forex trading is a bit more easy. Let's just highlight this zone and let's go down to the smaller time frame and look out for what happened during this candle and stuff like that. It is the retracement on a smaller time frame, guys. This is a perfect time for you to execute the trade, but unfortunately I did not have intention of trading GBP USD today. So but Euro USD was where my attention was, and boom, I sold it, right? And of course right now we are in profit on Euro USD. So that's what is happening, guys. 15 pips in profit. Some people are taking just 10 pips or 5 pips in a day. Those are scalp traders. Me personally, I am a swing trader, and I go for like 100 pips, 200 pips, even 300 pips, guys. So that's why I'm a swing trader, and I can hold my trade for more than a week, a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. It depends on how the market moves and if it's moving in my favor or if I like what is happening, right? Remember, let's just take for example this AUD USD that you guys are seeing right here. This AUD USD, I executed this trade last week. Last week was when I executed this trade. You can see my entry point right here. This is where I got in. So this was on This was on May 22nd. So you can see more than a week now. It's about 9 days. So 9 days, and I closed it today. So you can see 9 days of holding this particular trade, and I took 110 pips on this. But the final take profit was 180 pips. You can see right here. But I saw some sort of changes, and I saw something is coming on USD. You know, that's when you can do your fundamental analysis and sentimental analysis, guys. You can see I saw something coming on AUD, and I saw something coming on USD. You can see news on USD, on AUD here. And of course, you know, you can be doing your analysis and stuff like that again, guys. So, and we're having Euro news, GBP news, Euro news, and where is USD news? You can see we are having lots of USD news here, but I see something coming as well. Monthly bill auction is still coming, and also I go down to the sentimental analysis and I check what candlesticks are telling me right here. What are the traders' reactions to what is happening right now in the market and stuff like that. See, there are so many things embedded in forex trading, guys, until when you are trying to disclose them, or when you are trying to unblock them, because that's one of my main mission right here on this YouTube channel, to unblock forex secret for you guys. Of course, that's why I'm trying to like open your mindset, open your eyes, in order for you to see what we see in the market, so you can be a profitable trader as well. See, guys, whether you win or lose, if you win, I win, definitely we have nothing to reduce in the market. But when you lose and I lose, that's when we actually have something to lose, or we are losing something, right? But if you win, I win, we don't reduce anything. However, we can never ever finish the profit in the forex industry, never. So I don't see it's why I'm in profit and you are losing and I should be happy. Nah, I shouldn't be happy, guys, because it's not easy. So that's one of the reasons why I'm coming here to teach you guys how to trade and show you how I actually do this stuff. Very, very important, yeah? So that's just it, guys. That's just it. So let's go down and check some pairs that you guys are saying, right? Or let's go and continue to check what is happening on GBP USD. GBP USD. So you guys can see, and I was explaining something about this particular candle, right? I was explaining something about this particular candle. So let's go down to like 30 minutes. You can see the same thing. 15 minutes. You can still see this candle, guys. That's what I refer as a retracement. You can see it on the 15 minutes. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those were the candles. I think they were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, these 4 candles. That's the 4 candles that you see, and it is one on the 1 hour time frame. So this is the retracement I refer to. So we could have sold this trade right here and ride it all the way to the downside, but we missed that entry point. We could have been taking about 30 something pips right now, guys, but it is what it is, and no need for us to be taking a whole trade. Like, we miss some and we take some, you know. So that's just it. That's just it. So no need for you to be panicking, guys. Whenever time you did not execute a trade, you just wait for another opportunity and get into the market. That's just how it works. That's just how it works. So that's it. Look out for another opportunity and execute a trade, right? So somebody is saying, can we check AUD JPY? All right, we'll try and go and check AUD JPY. Somebody is saying GBP JPY. Okay, try to go and check AUD JPY and GBP JPY as well. So remember, I don't have much time here, guys. I have like 1 minute or 2 minutes here, but let's try to go ahead and check AUD JPY and GBP JPY. So AUD JPY right now, this is it, and so this is AUD JPY. Let me go down to the daily time frame and check what is happening. So this is the daily time frame. So the first thing I'm saying is the market was downtrending, right? The market was downtrending and boom, broke out of it, and right now it's trying to go back up to the upside, yeah? So what I'm going to be doing is let me go ahead and put, support and resistance. This is the major support and resistance, right? And of course there's another one here. So let me go down to the 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame right now. So this particular zone needs to be adjusted this way. Yep, that's it. So right now you can see what happened. The market broke out of this trend line, right? So right now what might happen on this particular pair, there's another potential support level here, guys. Another potential support level right there. So this is 4-hour time frame. Let me change the color to 4-hour time frame color, right? So this is another potential support level. So right now I'm seeing something on AUD JPY. And of course, guys, if today is the first time here, like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video to friends and family. Also, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do that. It is very, very important, because that's one of the reasons why we come here, all right, so let's go ahead and continue with the analysis. So right now let's wait for the market to come down for a retracement to this point, like this. Then boom, from here is going to go back up to this level. So right now, no need for you to execute a trade on AUD JPY. No need, guys. No need to do that. So now boom, it's gonna go back up to the upside after it finishes, or after it completes this retracement. Just take note of that and keep it at the back of your mind. Very, very important, guys. Yeah, so try to wait for it, and boom, that's it. That's just it, man. All right, so that's what I'm seeing on AUD JPY. Let's go down to check GBP JPY, but we don't have time, guys. And of course, if you have any question, you can just let me know or ask and say, hey Israel, I have question about this and I have question about that. So that's just it right now, guys. GBP JPY is kind of interesting to get in for a sell. You know what I'm saying? Remember the other time we bought we bought GBP JPY right here, or I bought GBP JPY right here, right? This was my entry point and I took 200 pips. That's why I say I'm a swing trader. I don't scalp the market, guys. I'm a swing trader, bro. Come on, man. Stop playing with ITT, guys. Stop playing with us. You can see this. 200 pips. Had I been held my trade to this point, you know how many pips is that? It's going to be a lot of pips, guys. It's going to be like 300 pips. But, I'm not a greedy somebody. So I have to just take whatever the market give to me. So that's just it. That's just it. So I'm not a greedy person, guys. So that's it. Took my 200 pips to get out of it. But right now I'm seeing that the market created this what we refer as a double top formation, and it will be ready to go back down to the downside again for another movement, right? For another movement. So if I were you, or if I'm to trade GBP JPY right now, I'm going to sell this market to this point. To this point right here, around price 157.890. That's the final target on GBP JPY. So that's just it. So, that's it, and boom. That's just what I'm seeing on GJ. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much for your time, and I just came here to update you guys on whatever is happening in the market, and to let you know that I executed a trade on Euro USD, and which is a sell. So that's it, and once more again, I'm still Israel the Trader. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you in our next live stream. Once more again, I'm signing out, and have a nice day and have a profitable week, guys. So thank you very much. I'm signing out, guys.